everybody. So I'm about to get ready to clean my grills. I got all 4 of them lined up, grills and smokers. As you can see, boom, 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 boom. Yeah, I'm gonna put in the work today to clean them up, get them all ready. We're about to prepare to move, so I'm just gonna go ahead and clean them up and get them ready for the move. So we'll see how this all pans out. I cleaned them last year, so it shouldn't be that bad, but we'll see how it goes down. All right, let's get to it. So this stuff works pretty good. I love it. My wife hates it because this stuff is expensive, but it works pretty good. All right. So I'm using a wooden paint stirrer to go ahead and get rid of a lot of the dirt and grime. I don't want to use anything metal. It's just porcelain enamel. It could do some damage to it. So using this wooden stirrer works pretty well just to get a lot of the buildup and a lot of the dirt and ashes. So it works for me. Pressure washing is done. All right. Got my backyard looking like a rubber junkyard back here. All right. Now we're gonna put these things together, clean them off. Man. Yeah, tough jobs. Somebody got to do it. Let's go. I think it's good enough for government work. Alright, so ideally we want it spick and span like you got it, but you know, with all the soot and the dirt and everything, it's yeah, you would really have to take hours and hours, possibly days, just to get all this cleaned off. But it's good enough.